Hi everyone, I'm Tom Roeder. I'm the founder and engineer of selenaCAT. I'm based in Berlin, Germany, and together with a group of linguists and software developers, we're working very hard the last months to bring a new CAT tool for translators. So in this very quick video, I will walk you through what is selenaCAT, how to create a manual project, how to create very quickly a project using automation. I will walk you through bilingual editor features, reporting, quality assurance, and how to export a translated document. We will also discuss our partnership with an AI provider from United Kingdom, and also about the kill switch, where you can actually kill AI. You can just switch off all the features if you like, and as well as how to submit your feedback. There is a section in selenaCAT, and we will talk about this. All right, so this is the dashboard of selenaCAT. This is the first thing you see when you create a user. As you can see, it's very different from many CAT tools and TMS out there, and actually it's very intuitive. It was designed to be very easier for non-technical people actually. So let's go by creating a project. On the left side, here you can just create your first project. Here's project, domain general, deadline tomorrow because we're crazy, and details about the project here. Okay, let's choose a source language, so in this case English UK, and target language, German, Germany. You can choose more language if you want, but in this case we're going to just do one language. Okay, so create project. This is the importation center. Here you can drag and drop files. We are going to use browse files and select one for translation. Let's go for Word document. Okay, the document we are going to translate is the translator who deciphered the Maya. If you know or you don't know the history of Yuri Norosov, was a linguist who helps to decipher the Maya hieroglyph writing system. And he used to have a nice cat. So you should go there in Wikipedia and read the history. Okay, let's click import files. Now we can see on the right side we just imported file 1 file and 48 segment. Also you can see the word count. Let's go to the next step. Here you can create your translation memory. You can import your translation memory or attach any TM that you already have. So I already have mine, my first TM. I'm going to attach it. Cool. Let's go to the glossaries. Same here. You can create your own term base, import from Excel, or you can attach one. So let's go by attaching one. And next, done. You just create your first project on selenaCAT. So let's go to the projects, and there you go. Right, so let's go inside the project. You can click anywhere, and now you're inside your project. So you can just filter by target language. On the left side, you can see your project information. You can see translation memories, terminology, reports, and quality assurance. Let's go to documents, and let's open the file and see the bilingual editor. So right click, open file, and now you are inside the bilingual editor. Here you have many things you can do, from auto-propagation to see the TM matches, to terminology, to search and replace with normal or regular expression. You can search in source, target, or both. You can change the theme. If you don't like it, you can do light, you can do purple, or you can just do dark. It's better for your eyes. You have bulk actions from copy source, save, confirm, or you can export the final document translated. You can use also AI, which we use Botjam. It's a private GDPR UK model to do automatic translation. You can do it from the whole documents or segment by segment. Okay, you can navigate here. Yep. So there are many things you can do. You can also edit the source. You can join and split segments. Split and join here. There are many things that you can do. But let's translate this and let's move forward. Alright, so we just finished our translation and we just want to see what else can we do. So you can see translation memory matches on the right side. We have different ones. We can also have terminology matches, like suggestion from the source or the target, and it will flag out if you are missing a specific target term. In this case, it identified that we have an entry for Maya, but we don't have it here on the target, so we can just fix it by writing Maya and just click Ctrl Enter, and now it's resolved. So that's our main thing you can do in the translation editor. You can also confirm all of them. There you go. And if you go back, you can see that your document was 100% translated now. You can run reports by generate report. You can do it against TM, like not TMs, right? Or languages. And you can see your report here. Let's open this. There you go. You can see your report here. Now, if we go to documents, you can also run a quality assurance. So let's just go and run QA. Click run QA. And you can see here a new report. You can again, download HTML. You can see reports here, total segment, errors, warnings, pass rate, more or less, what kind of errors you have, issue code, severity, description, or you can just fix it. So if we go here, we can start to see like the first letter are different in capitalization from source versus target, and so we can do on the bilingual editor and regarding to the DMHS and terminology. So let's move with the rest. Alright, so now we can export our final translated document, right click and export. And there you go. And you can see the final file translated. Super. Okay, let's move forward with the rest. So what other thing can you do? You can actually create a project faster just by using large language model. So we use in this case both AIs or current partners. They are from United Kingdom. They're truly GDPR UK and they care about data privacy. You can even go to their website and read what is their vision, which is about data protection, and that's why we partner with them, because we do care about the users. And you can automate inside Selena, so you can use like select file. We can use the same file, so clicking here, it will identify the language. So it's English US, we can use UK if we want to, or normal English, but okay. And we can use prompt. You know this thing about prompt engineering? Well, in this case you can do it with inside square bracket. Every word inside square bracket trigger a different action. In this case, create a project, my first automated project in the following language, and then 2026, and just create project. And as you can see here, is creating the project, importing file, and translating them into different target languages. So let's pause. Cool. So now after the automation is finished, you can see here the file imported and translated. You can see the number of segments, source, and target language. So let's go back to my projects, my first automated project. We can go inside and let's open one of the file. Yep, we can see here. Let's open the one in French. There you go. Cool. So this is another way of creating projects using automation. You need to chat and use prompt. This is in beta. Another thing we need to talk, apart from the GDPR in UK, data compliance, is you don't need to use AI, and we are actually supporting this. And you can go to AI settings and you switch off everything related to AI, and you can see now it's used in gray color. You cannot use it. The same here on the chatbot. If you go inside the project, the pre-translation are gone. So yeah, you don't have to, or you don't need to use AI if you don't wish to. It's up to the user to choose how to work. Another thing is you also have a wallet where you can see the amount of tokens every month. So if you get a license from €9, or if you belong to a translation interpreting association, so it's €7 per month, you get 100,000 tokens of AI for automation. But if you are in free license, it's 5,000 tokens per month. Cool. So that's everything about selenaCAT. I hope you like it. It's again in beta. There are many things we will be adding. My team, selenaCAT, will be adding in next months, and we are always willing to listen what the user have to say, and that's why we have a feedback section here. If you open this feedback, you can write here anything that you encounter, any experience you have with selenaCAT, suggestions. You can also reach via email. We have the email in our website in the footer, or via LinkedIn page, and our team is always listening to translators and how to improve selenaCAT and how to make it better for all of you. What else? I think that's everything for now. There are many other features you can just discover, go ahead and click around. But I just wanted to tell you, thank you very much for your time. We are trying to make selenaCAT better for translators out there. So thank you so much for supporting. I believe there are more than 200 translators in the wishlist. So yeah, they should receive an email by now. And let's stay in touch in social media. So goodbye.